In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy USDT inside of MEXC Global. This is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the MEXC website. However, this can be done on the MEXC app as well. Once you're on there, you just want to make sure you are logged into your account. And from there, on the website, you can go in the top left corner and hover over this buy crypto button. It will then show us all of the different ways in which we can buy crypto on MEXC. However, the way I'd recommend is debit/credit card because this will be the easiest. So from here, we can choose which currency we want to buy with. And since I'm from England, I'm going to keep this as GBP. Underneath that, you can choose which coin you will receive. And since we're trying to buy USDT, we're going to keep this as USDT. But if yours is set to something else, you can simply click on it and you can just search for USDT. From there, we can remove this and you can enter in how much USDT you wanted to buy. So if you needed $100, for example, you can type that in and you can see that that's going to cost me £81. So from here, we'll have to add a card and you can simply do that by clicking here. However, you will have to complete KYC verification before you're able to add a card and deposit money into crypto. So if you haven't yet done that, you'll see this pop up. You can simply click approve to start that process. And it's very simple. You'll just have to upload your ID to prove it is actually you buying this coin. So once you've completed KYC verification and added your card, you just have to go down and click buy now. And from there, it will spend the money on your card. And in return, you will receive the coin which you chose to buy, which should be USDT. Now, as I said earlier, there are other ways of doing it. So if you'd rather bank transfer, you can switch to this tab and you can do it this way. However, I recommend doing debit or credit card because in my opinion, it is the easiest. So that's how you can buy USDT in MEXC Global. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.